Your worst nightmare, the unprepared interviewer. What should you do? Actually, this can be a best case scenario. Here's what I mean. So an interviewer starts interviewing you and you realize they don't know what they're talking about. Good news, it means you can lead. You're in charge of the direction of the interview. They may ask a question that is off base and you might say, well, some people might think that, but let me tell you what is actually the case. And not only does that give you plenty of control, but it's a signal to them that they're probably hunting around in the dark for information. You can also end some of your sentences by saying things like, and that's not the most surprising part. So you can end with a seed that makes them say, well, tell us what the most surprising part is. Anytime this happens, you are in control. You get to lead. It's not a worst case scenario, it's a best case scenario.